Hello students, this is Vidal teacher. Today we will learn and understand a new topic in subject EVS 1, lesson number 6, variety in food for standard 4. In this lesson we will learn diversity in food items. Food items vary according to the region. Distribution of crops varies in the different region. Various food items in Maharashtra and the neighboring states. Students, we use various food grains and vegetables brought from the market to prepare the different dishes in our meals. Let us complete the table given on textbook page number 36. Different dishes prepared at home. Rice. Dishes made: bhakri, idli, rice. Total number of items 3. Wheat. Chapati, paratha, puri, lapshi. Total number of items 4. So students, we can make various food items using the same ingredient. For example, we saw that by using the main ingredient rice, we can make various dishes such as idli, modak, dosa, bhakri and rice. Using the main ingredient wheat, we can make chapati, puri, paratha and lapshi. Students, the staple food of the people varies according to the region. Rice, wheat and jawar are the staple food of the people. Now students, look at the map of India showing major food crops given on textbook page number 37. Let us observe the distribution of food crops in India. Here we can see that the distribution of crops varies in the different regions. Which food crop is grown on a large scale in the coastal regions? Rice is grown on a large scale in the coastal regions. Which food crops are grown in North India? Wheat and jawar are the food crops grown in North India. Which is the major food crop in Central region? Wheat is the major food crop in Central region. Why is rice grown on a large scale in the southern part of India? Rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part of India because it has hot and humid climate. It gets heavy rainfall. Now students, agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. It is mainly dependent on rainfall. The rainfall received in all regions is not the same. Some regions receive high rainfall, some receive moderate rain, and some regions receive low rainfall. In regions of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi and varai are grown. Crops in moderate rainfall regions: wheat, tur and soyabean. Crops in low rainfall regions: jawar, bajra and moat beans, which are also called as matki. Students, our state is Maharashtra. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. We live in Vasai, which is in Palghar district. There are 36 districts in the state of Maharashtra. Maharashtra has 3 regions: Konkan region, Plateau region and the Central region. The Arabian Sea is to the west of Maharashtra. Observe the map given on page number 39 in the textbook. The map depicts famous food items from Maharashtra and its adjoining states. Let us study the map and complete the table given below. Students, you can see on the map that the states of Goa, Karnataka, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are our neighboring states. Rice bhakri made from rice is prepared in the district of Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. Jawar bhakri made from jawar is prepared in the districts of Satara, Sangli, Solapur, Ahmednagar, Aurangabad, Akola, Yavatmal, Jalna, Beed, Parbhani and Buldhana. Orange barfi made from oranges is prepared in the districts of Nagpur and Wardha. Students, in the same way, we will complete the list of district and state and their famous food items. The main crop grown in any region is used to make various items in that region. For example, jawar is grown on a large scale in the plateau region of Maharashtra. Let us see food items made from jawar. Hurda, laya, bhakri, घुगऱ्या, पापड, सांगडे, आंबील, धपाटे and dhirde are all the preparations of jawar enjoyed in that region. In Konkan or the coastal region, rice, coconut and coconut oil are widely used. In central Maharashtra region, jawar, bajra, groundnut, soybean, sesame and mustard are more commonly used. Students, note that the variety in crops is due to the change in climate and soil. The crops grown in a region determine the diet of the people in that region. Students, I hope you understood today's lesson. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.